We are back and still on the hunt for the best tacos on the Wasatch Front, and I know what you're thinking. What are you doing at the American Legion?
Didn't know you could come here, did ya? Well, as it turns out, there's a taco kitchen inside the American Legion.
We're here with those Guys SLC and Rolling Menus. You can come in here and eat, just say you're a guest of the kitchen, and we're about to check out maybe some of the most unique tacos that have ever been offered to us.
Hi, I'm Douglas, this is Ryan, and we're those Guys SLC, but we make the best tacos on the Wasatch Front. You know, we do a mixture of German-Mexican fusion. We started with my Oma's German tradition, and then my Tia married into the family, and then next thing you know, we were eating German-Mexican food on our table. With COVID, food trucks had to adapt. Rolling Menus are food truck scheduler. Started finding us ghost kitchens in order to set up and do business. So now we have a hard location so DoorDash can do it. And if I'm cooking for you, you're not a customer, you're friends and family. We've got several tacos started. Our German taco, which is a pastrami taco. New Orleans po' boy shrimp taco. So for our pork and chicken though, we're gonna use corn tortillas.
Secret ingredient, butter and everything.
Birria!
Birria.
Birria!
Birria tacos.
Gotta make room for cheese. Always gotta make room for cheese. Birria!
Birria.
Thou shalt always make room for cheese. This is a jalapeno, so when you pickle them in ginger, and it totally changes the flavor. So Banks can handle a jalapeno. He's not leaving till he tries my jalapeno.
Here we go with a little bit of everything.
Yeah,
huh?
he's given us one of everything pretty much, Banks.
So there's two I think we should focus on here because we talked about how unique these were.
Yeah.
There's a shrimp po' boy taco, and then there is was it a pastrami taco?
It is a pastrami taco and it's got like a mustard sauce on it.
Now he's also got like a Thai salmon one in here. All kinds of great stuff that they've got. So we're gonna do the shrimp po' boy one first.
It's on top.
3, 2, 1, go. I mean, it tastes like a shrimp po' boy sandwich,
It does, just in a taco.
but it also tastes like a shrimp taco.
So, for the pastrami one, there's like 3 different kinds of sauce on this, Banks.
Now, never even thought of, heard of, would have imagined to put pastrami on a taco. All right, 3, 2, 1. That's way sweeter than I thought it was gonna be.
I wasn't sure about the mustard sauces together with the sriracha, but it actually tastes really good.
Easily the most unique taco we've ever eaten.
Banks, when we were back in the kitchen, he threatened me with a knife and said, you cannot leave until you taste the jalapeno, so taste it.
It's not hot. Time to score it up out of 5 stars. What do you give it, Lexi?
I'm giving it a 5 out of 5 because I can get everything I want here, all on one plate.
Generally speaking, I'm giving everything a 4.75 out of 5, but the shrimp po' boy taco is getting a 5 out of 5. As always, we're on the hunt for the best tacos on the Wasatch Front. If you've got a taco spot,
You can hit us up right here, or you can send an email to Lexi, Lexi, @cable93.com.